We're here today on the 27th floor of Al Salam Tower, or as you may know it, the old Do building in Dubai Internet City. A client of ours has just signed a lease of 7,500 square feet, and as you can see, the space is in fitted condition, but it's not in the best condition. On the surface, it doesn't look too bad, but what concerns us the most is what's above the ceiling, the things you can't see, because the fit out we're estimating is about 15 years old. Lucky for us, the client is planning to rip everything out and replace it with something nothing short of spectacular. But is it going to be more spectacular than the view? As you'll see behind me, we are almost done with the demolition. We just have to remove the rest of the ducts and a few other bits and pieces. It's hard to believe that this demolition site is going to be an absolutely beautiful commercial office ready to welcome the 80+ staff of NIMCARD. I can't wait. We're now 6 weeks into the build, and I'm really happy with the progress, especially considering some of the delays that we've encountered. For example, the AC machines, they're old machines. They needed to be reconditioned and they needed to have a service. The other challenges that we've been facing is the DEWA approvals because we're splitting up the units. But all in all, I'm really happy with the progress. The ceilings are now closed, painting's done, floor's level. So the next stage is the carpets and the glass. Exciting times, then it'll start to look like an office. Guys, we are back at NIMCARD and the wait is finally over. As you can see, all of the furniture is in, the space is being cleaned, it is looking incredible, and it is waiting for all of the NIMCARD staff to arrive tomorrow for their very first day in the new office. The attention to detail on this project is phenomenal. The designers really did a good job, especially with the acoustics. So controlling reverberation in this big open plan area, because it's going to be quite populated. So we've got the cork cladding, as well as the green walls and the carpet to help with the sound absorption. But when you have a look inside the booths, every single one of the booths, whether it's a core booth or whether it's a small meeting booth, we've got the fabric panels to help again with sound absorbency, and once again we've got the cork cladding which not only looks fantastic but actually has acoustic properties as well to help reduce the reverberation. So you can actually have a conversation in here on Zoom and not sound like you're in a shower cubicle. Another thing to note about the space is the lighting. The designers did a great job making sure that the natural daylight was emulated throughout the space, making for optimal working conditions.